Hey there, guys. Chet here. Data is the most important part of growing a business. You need a clear way to see exactly what is happening in your sales process. Pipedrive allows you to build an incredible reporting dashboard to track every single metric. In this video, I'll show you how to build the ultimate Pipedrive reporting dashboard. Now, you'll need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you have not set one up yet, there's a special link right down in the description. If you click that link, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all of the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount is applied automatically when you sign up through my link, which means you'll be using the same powerful pipe drive as everyone else, but you're going to pay less. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we have also put together a full pipe drive course that goes from A to Z and walks you through everything step by step, totally free. Now, first off, log into your Pipedrive account to begin the setup process. Navigate to the left side menu and look for the Insights icon. Click on that specific icon to open your main reporting workspace. Now, this area acts as a central hub for all of your sales targets, custom dashboards, and key business metrics. To create a brand new report, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus create button. A drop down menu will instantly appear. You'll see different options to create a standard report, a new dashboard, or a specific sales goal. Select the report option from that menu rather, to begin building your first chart. You'll see several different categories to choose from on the next page. You can choose to track activity performance, lead conversions, or overall deal performance. Now, the absolute most common choice for a main sales dashboard is a deal performance report. This specific report helps you clearly understand exactly how many sales your team won over a specific time frame. When the report builder opens, look at the filters section located at the very top of the page. This is the exact place where you establish the specific data you want to display on your screen. Set the primary filter to show any deal won this year. Adjust your horizontal axis to sort the incoming data by the month the deals were won. Change your vertical axis to show the actual financial deal value instead of just the total number of deals. You now have a clear visual chart showing your total revenue generated each month. And you can easily make this report even better by breaking the data down into more specific segments. For example, you can segment the entire chart by deal source if you want to see which marketing channels actually bring in the most money. Just remember, custom fields like deal sources require the professional software plan. If you're currently on a growth plan, you can easily segment the data by deal owner to see which sales reps are performing the best. Once you're perfectly happy with how the chart looks, give it a clear name like Deals Won This Year, click the Save button, and add it directly to your main sales dashboard. That is the basic process for building a single report, but an ultimate dashboard requires many more key elements in order to give you a complete picture of your company. So we'll now move on to the specific widgets that you need to add to your ultimate layout. First, you should definitely add a simple scorecard report showing your total year-to-date sales. You create this by setting the report type to a scorecard format instead of a standard column chart. This simple bold number gives you an instant snapshot of your overall progress every single time you log into your account. It is the perfect motivational tool for a busy sales team. Next, you'll want to build another deal performance report to track your actual products. So set the primary filters to show deals won this year and select the deal value for your vertical axis again. This time you'll segment the data by the product field. If you've enabled the products feature in your account settings, this chart will clearly show you exactly what services or physical items are generating the most revenue. You can easily hover your mouse over the colored bars on the chart to see which product lines are your absolute top sellers. This information helps you focus your expensive marketing efforts on the specific items that actually make you money. Another incredibly useful report is a pie chart that breaks down your closed sales by their original source. You'll set this up as a deal performance report showing deals won this year by total deal value. You'll then format the visual layout as a pie chart and segment it by your custom deal source field. This circular chart will visually display how much revenue came from Google searches, trade shows, Facebook ads, or direct client referrals. If you spend a massive amount of money on Google ads, but the chart shows very few closed deals from that source, you will instantly know you need to adjust your advertising budget. This chart alone can save your business thousands of dollars every single year. You'll also need to set a specific goal tracking widget for your team. You can navigate back to the Create menu and select the goal option instead of a standard report. You can set a goal for your entire company to generate a specific amount of money every single month. Once you add this custom goal to your dashboard, it will show you a visual trend line representing your monthly target. It will also display a solid colored block representing your actual closed revenue for that exact period. You can easily look at this chart to see if you are ahead of schedule or falling behind your monthly targets. It will even show a block representing your open deals, so you can see your potential total revenue if you manage to close everything currently sitting in your active pipeline. Your ultimate dashboard is completely useless, though, without a conversion funnel report. This specific report tells you your overall team win rate. It takes the total number of deals that you create and calculates the exact percentage that you actually win and close. More importantly, this funnel visually highlights where potential buyers drop out of your sales process. You might see a massive drop in numbers between the qualified lead stage and the proposal sent stage. This funnel report helps you identify the exact weaknesses in your sales pipeline so that you can quickly train your team to fix them. You must also add a report that tracks your expected sales for the current month. You set this up to show any open deals that have an expected close date within the current 30-day window. You can display this as a simple metric scorecard or a small pie chart. This gives you the clear financial number of the revenue you should realistically expect to bring in before the month ends. It also helps you sleep much better at night knowing your business cash flow is completely secure. Next, you need to closely track your average deal value and your average time to win a deal. Create a report that averages the financial value of every single deal you've won this year. You can compare this specific number to the previous year to see if your sales team is successfully increasing the size of your client contacts. You'll also create a deal duration report. This will show you how many days it takes on average to close a brand new deal. A shorter sales cycle means your sales process is highly efficient and your team is not wasting their valuable time on bad leads. You absolutely must track your team actions with an activity based report. This specific widget will show you exactly how many phone calls, emails, and proposals your sales reps complete every single month. This tracking holds your entire team accountable for their daily work, and it ensures that everyone is actually spending their time on tasks that generate real revenue for the company instead of just pretending to be busy at their desks. That's never happened, right? You should also build a report showing all open deals sorted by stage. This tells you exactly where your current active clients are sitting right now in the negotiation process. If you see a massive amount of deals stuck in the proposal stage, you already know your team needs to aggressively follow up and push for a final decision. Right next to that chart, you must add a report that tracks deals lost by reason. Whenever you lose a contract, you select a specific reason like bad timing or pricing issues. This visual chart helps you understand exactly why prospects say no to your offers. You can use this exact data to improve your sales pitch, adjust your pricing model, or beat your direct competitors in the future. We also need to look at your overall conversion rates over a much longer period. So create a report showing any deal closed this year, whether it was won or lost, and then chart it out month by month. This will clearly show your conversion rate fluctuating throughout the entire year. If you notice a specific month had an incredibly high conversion rate, you can look back, figure out what your team did differently during that time. You can then apply those same winning strategies to the current month to rapidly boost your sales numbers. Finally, add a simple report that tracks the raw number of new deals created this year. This chart just needs to show the total volume of new leads entering your business system. If you see a sudden drop where no deals were created for several months, it's a massive warning sign that your marketing channels have stopped working completely. If you see a massive spike in new deals, it tells you that a recent marketing campaign was highly successful. You must keep a very close eye on this specific report to ensure that you always maintain a healthy and consistent volume of new leads entering your sales pipeline. All right, that's the end of this video. If you want to get started with Pipedrive, don't forget to click that special link in the description to grab your 30-day extended free trial. It's really the only way to get a full month for free instead of the standard 14 days. And if you want to be that true Pipedrive expert, make sure to grab that free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're down there. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.